You'll wait here? Okay.
What's up mga ka-vlog spot? Isang munting pamamasyal lang dito sa loob ng Intramuros. So ayan, may mga foreigners na gumagala, makikita nyo, mga turista. So stay tuned lang kayo mga ka-vlog spot.
Kami sa Agustin te.
Yep. So there's a lot of tourists inside Intramuros mga ka-vlog spot. So come and join us here in the Philippines, in Intramuros, Manila. So we are approaching the backside of Manila Cathedral. And this is the Knights of Columbus Intramuros. Knights of Columbus Intramuros, this part. And this is Manila Cathedral. This is the site of Manila Cathedral here in Intramuros, Manila. More tourists. More tourists from Europe. You can use bikes or rent bikes here inside Intramuros. So we are approaching the front entrance of Manila Cathedral. So here it is, ka-vlog spot. Here's Manila Cathedral. So while at the front of the Manila Cathedral Church, there's a big park where you can relax and stay. And an old fountain from the Spanish colonial era. An old fountain from the Spanish colonial era. Tama lang dyan.
Pagtawid namin yung pwede kami sa mga nagpapalisyon. So, ito po sa Miloton, diretso na lang.
Ayan o, may moving o.
Kaya po yung dyan sa harapan yun. Kung may lalabas.
Hindi dun sa isa.
Hindi. Tayo po yun. Roton na yan.
Sabi lang kami.
Salamat po.
Madala yan sa mga.
We are approaching the dormitory of Letran College. Letran High School athletes and Letran College athletes are staying at here in Letran dormitory. Here inside Intramuros, Manila. It's the Letran dormitory, and this is our old Letran gym when I was in elementary and high school. This was the old Letran gym. under renovation. The gym is under renovation. Ito yung mga dating bar. These are the old bars. But before, during the Spanish era, this was a prison cell for the Filipinos who were against the Spaniards and used as garrison by the Japanese. And this is the 3 students, the Boy Scouts who perished during the 11th World Jamboree. Okay, students of Letran. This is my old school, old alma mater, Letran. This is my old alma mater, Letran, when I was in elementary and high school. Alright. On old dungeon inside here, Intramuros. There's a military camp here, what we call the Philippine Army Reservists, here inside Intramuros, Manila. So you can see this old Philippine military base was used during or before World War II by the Philippine Constabulary in the 1930s, and this place was destroyed during World War II, Battle of Manila, because the Japanese used this as a garrison or camp against the American forces and Filipino guerrillas. Let's go inside this place. This is the backside of the military barracks. Here's another tunnel, Spanish tunnel. Let's see. Spanish old tunnel. This use was a chamber for prisoners during the Spanish colonial era and the Japanese invaders in World War II. Here are the markings or the bombs, the actual markings of the bombs and bullet holes. You can see small holes, that is the bullet holes, and shrapnels. There's a lot of shrapnels, holes of shrapnels. And before, there is a tunnel here somewhere in 2000s. I've seen a staircase down here, somewhere here in this part, in this area, but it was covered already by the government. So here on our left side, is the Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila. Here on our left side, and this is the PLM gym, the Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila gym. Here, as you can see, there's a student playing inside, some kind of volleyball. There's tourists. Okay. Another tourist spot inside Intramuros at the side of PLM. This is PLM, Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila entrance. This is the entrance of Baluarte de San Diego. If you go here, you have regular entrance fee 75, and for the students and senior citizens is 50 pesos, and persons with disabilities or PWD. Okay, Baluarte de San Diego. Okay. And beside Baluarte de San Diego, there's a Japanese naval gun. Japanese naval gun. Let's see this Japanese naval gun, okay? There's the control room of the Japanese naval gun. It was covered already. So here's the Japanese naval gun. See? Okay. So this side for the ammunition of the Japanese naval gun. Okay. So that place is Luneta and Ermita. So the naval gun is pointing at Ermita and Luneta.
Meron dito ma'am, mas parang mas maganda yata dito ma'am.
Dito.
Ito ma'am, mas maganda rito ma'am.
Let's go. So this is also a chamber. As you can see over there, there's a secret panel entrance down there, and the display of rifles, ammunition. You can see old machine guns, handguns, pistols, and Japanese rifles used during World War II. Okay.
Para hindi makasakay yung mga nagagawa. Sino gumagawa ng mali? Tapos ang sabihin ng magaling na federal government. Wala na ba sa sana?
Close. So here's the entrance of Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila on the left side. That's the main entrance of PLM, Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila. Dito na lang ang ating video mga ka-vlogspot. So ano pa inaantay? Mag-subscribe, like, and share na para sa ating Tito J Vlogs, Manila Vlogspot. Yun lang.